In this video we're going to show how to remove the interior door card panel from a Mk2 Tiguan. Tools you'll need for the job: a T30 Torx, a 10mm spanner, a selection of trim tools and a flat screwdriver. We're going to remove this cover on the handle to get access to the bolts. Just on the inside of it there's a small slot. You can just get your trim tool in, just push it in, just widen that gap out. As it starts to pop away, just work around using your trim tool. That'll expose the bolt that you need to undo. There's two T30s, there's one there and there's one in that hole there. Undo both of those. The last fixing to remove is on the underside. There's a little gap there. You can just see that fixing there. So all you need to do, you don't need to remove it, you just need to get your spanner on and just turn it 90 degrees. And you'll see now the fixing will just line up with the gap in the panel, so when you pull the panel off you can see there it'll slide past it. Now using a wider trim tool, get in the gap in the bottom corner, just work your way around popping the clips off. Now it's ready to remove, it should just be swinging along the top edge. Now to remove the door card, starting at one end, just pop it up off the door and that'll come away. And there's a couple of things to undo before you can remove it. The first one is the door handle cable here, so just pull this little lever back and that'll allow you to just swing that out the way. It's just hooked in again at the front there, that'll come off. And the wiring, there's two plugs here on the door module. First one, just push the little tab in, swing the arm over. As you swing the arm over, the plug will just come out. And then this other one here, the little tab pushes in, but before you can push it in, just got to pop the little red bit out the way, then push that in. And that's the door car removed. Just a quick note that'll make putting the door card back together easier. These are the clips that are used all around the door card, and when you remove them sometimes they'll stay in the door, sometimes they'll come with the door card, they're a bit hit and miss, and these are sort of like a push fit clip. So if you notice, this part here is just spread out, and it's spread out by this pin pushing through it. So what you need to do is get like a trim tool or a fork or some pliers or something just in this gap here, and you need to effectively just reset the clip. So if you push that in, just work your way around, just sort of like prying it out. They are quite brittle, but they will go. There you go, and that's popped back out now. Now you notice this white bit's butted all the way up, so you can refit that into the door card, and then when you put that into the hole in the door, when you push the door card in, that'll effectively push in and spread that clip back out there.